Yeah.
So,
yeah. What's the question?
So, when you see still water, if you throw a pebble, only then there's a disturbance which comes.
Correct.
Similarly, when Brahman is eternal, infinite, and all-pervading, so there should be something external which can cause a disturbance. How can something which is all-pervading and everlasting have a disturbance within it?
If you throw a stone, the water ripples will rise. Okay? The stone is required to make the water ripples to happen. So Brahman is the only reality. There's no alternate other reality. It's like still water. Something external is required to make the disturbance in Brahman for the world to appear. Where that pebble is. Correct? So there is no pebble. The Brahman has a power of Maya Shakti. You can think Maya Shakti is equal to imagination or creative power of Brahman. It doesn't come from outside. So the Maya Shakti or creative power of Brahman appears to cause the disturbance. It's the internal, not outside.
But so right now, for me, in an example of me having a dream to show that I am projecting something, and that dream can be like a disturbance which happens. But for me to project something, I should so I see this doll in my eyes and I project that in my dream.
Correct.
So there is something which I can see and project. Whereas Brahman has never seen anything, there is nothing else and nothing can happen. So how can there even happen?
In my dream, I project a dream world. The dream world is I have seen earlier. So the impressions of that is projecting the dream world. So Brahman cannot see anything. There's nothing else to see. Okay. How can the impressions be there? So Brahman has the infinite power of creating. It doesn't have to see. Creation and seeing.
Yeah. So to create. So now if I want to, let's say, create a pot, it should be something separate, right? I can't create something which is a part of me itself like that.
So that's your understanding of the duality. I cannot create a part of me. In case of Brahman, nothing is separate. Brahman projects the world like a spider projects the web outside of itself.
Yeah, but it's still outside of the spider.
Appears to be outside. That's why the world appears to be outside of me.
How is the spider like appearing to be outside? It is outside.
Correct. So similarly, world appears to be outside to me in the waking state and dream state also. Okay, we'll stop at this point because I have next class to take up at 8:30, 8:35. We're starting in next class. Hari Om.